Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this week was a very flat, dull and a stagnant week. We did not see much movement on the charts. You can see that this is a 1 hour chart of DXY and this was the whole week to sum up. Okay, DXY closed at 106.96. This was the last traded price of DXY. The important thing that we need to focus on the chart of DXY is that it almost closed at the minor resistance here. Why minor? Because see, the most important resistance on the chart of DXY is around 108 level. But due to less volatility, DXY was unable to cross the previous highs of this week around 107.20. So this was the high DXY was trying to cross, but it failed due to less volatile situation in the market. But one thing that we need to focus on the chart of DXY, or we cannot deny, is that whenever DXY was coming out, it was not breaking the previous low. So it was constantly forming higher lows in the market. Okay, higher lows usually signify the presence of buyers in the market and their willingness to take the market up. So as a result, market opening will be very important for DXY. So if the buyers are still very much present, okay, then we will see market breaking the temporary resistance of 107.20 and going towards the next big resistance around 107.60 to 108 level. Why we're considering these two levels? Because of the previous support being acting as resistance, as well as we have got 200 moving average here. So if you combine both the factors, then this zone is the next big resistance zone for DXY. In case it shows sudden fall during the US session on Monday or Tuesday, then obviously, if you know it correctly, then yes, 105 to 105.30 is still very much present as the next strong support for DXY. So DXY's market opening will be very important. So if the market remains like this, okay, if the market remains like this, then obviously market will be reversing from here. Okay, market will not be able to cross it. But in case we see some volatility after the market opening, okay, DXY will break the resistance and it will try to go up. So let's find out the chart of Euro Dollar. So here is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD. Okay, but first of all, I would like to show you the weekly chart. Okay, this is a weekly chart of Euro USD, and you can see that Euro USD has failed to cross the resistance around 1.0479. This was the weekly resistance, and these weekly resistances are very strong. Okay, so as a result, if Euro USD wants to resume the uptrend, or Euro USD seriously wants to recover, then it will have to cross 1.0500. Once it crosses this level, okay, then only we will get the confirmation that yes, finally we are about to see some recovery, some good recovery on the chart of Euro USD. Until and unless Euro USD fails to cross this level, okay, we cannot consider it as a proper trend reversal. Okay, especially for swing trading and positional trading purpose. And if we look at the daily chart, then also on the daily chart we can see that market is facing resistance around the 200 moving average. So daily chart is also saying us the same story. Market will have to cross this level. That's it. Okay, now let's jump to the 1 hour chart of Euro USD and let's try to find out what are the trading opportunities for Monday. As we have been already discussing, then though Euro USD is at present showing an upside move, but if we simply focus on the present trend of Euro Dollar, then we can see that market looks choppy, and the most importantly, market is unable to cross the previous highs here. You can see whenever market is trying to recover, it is unable to cross the previous high. We can also draw a trend line like this. So my dear friend, if you do not have this trend line, try to draw a trend line, because if market tries to recover on Monday, listen to me carefully, if market tries to recover on Monday, high chance that market will be reversing from the trend line here again. Usually the theory concept is that if you find market testing a level too many times, we should not trust the level. But in this case, okay, in this case we can see that market is unable to cross the previous highs. So it usually signifies the increase in number of sellers in the market. So I think that if the volatility of the market remains like this, still there is a good chance that market will be reversing from the trend line. So if market goes up, observe the market around the trend line. If you see that the market is unable to cross, just like the previous times, you will get the confirmation that yes, sellers numbers are increasing and you can go for a sell position. If you see market showing price rejection from above, if you see market showing shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, it can be a hanging man also. Okay, so once you get the confirmation, you can definitely click on the sell button at the trend line, because market is unable to cross the previous highs here. And for additional confirmation, you can also look at the chart of DXY while taking a sell at Euro USD. Just get the additional confirmation that DXY, okay, DXY is going up, because they always move in opposite direction, isn't it? So on, and as we have just discussed that the market opening will be very, very important for DXY, because DXY almost closed at the resistance. So if DXY reverses, listen to me carefully, if DXY reverses from the resistance of 107.20, we will see market taking support around 1.0300 and market going up, because this is the next immediate support for Euro USD. One thing that you need to know it, that see on the chart of Euro USD we have a big resistance zone, and the resistance zone is 1.0300, 1.0280, plus we also have 1.0270 as well. So this is a big resistance zone for Euro USD. We are considering this because of previous strong price rejection around this level, as well as Fibonacci retracement. Plus you can also see the 200 moving average also coming up to provide support to the market. So if we combine all the factors, then there's a high chance that Euro USD will give its best shot to take support. If market bounces from here around from the support level, you can definitely go for a buy position. You can expect a profit of 30-40 pips easily. Not a trend reversal as of now, because market is constantly forming lower highs. So as a result, if market bounces also from the support zone, be careful, look for 30-40 pips only. Do not buy and forget. Okay, until and unless, again I'll say, until and unless market crosses this level 0.0500, we will not get the confirmation that yes, DXY is going for a recovery. Euro USD is going for a recovery. Euro USD is going for a trend reversal. So Euro USD's 1.0500 level will be very, very important. But for Monday, I think we will get a selling opportunity around here if market reverses. And if market breaks it, don't do anything, don't need to take any buy position. I'll come down on Monday and I'll share the next strategy that you should be following if market breaks the trend line. And on the other hand, if market bounces from the support, definitely we can go for a buy position, because we have a very strong support around this level here. So this is the strategy you should be following. I'll be following on Monday. Hopefully you got it. Please follow proper risk management, because no trader is 100% accurate. So never forget that. Follow proper risk management. Take position according to your stop loss and capital. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye-bye. Take care.